Hello, everyone. Many of you already messaged me about the timing of the workshop that I have discussed in the earlier video. Uh, Let me tell you all, it's not a group session. So once you sign up for it, I will give you schedule based on your convenience because you might be from China, you might be from Bangladesh, you might be from India or from Europe. So the time will not match with my schedule. I'm in the United States right now. So that's why I didn't mention time in that video. So if you sign up for it and then just receive an email with multiple slots offered to you, and you can choose whatever fits your bowl, right? And if you do not know, let me tell you again, this is the season when we apply for grad admission, right? For master's or for PhD, if you're working as a faculty member or if you are a student just graduated. And if you do not know me, look up. I'm doing my PhD right now in the United States. It's going to be one-on-one session, by the way. It's not a group session, one-on-one, because depending on your discipline, things will change, right? If you're from a business background, if you're from engineering background, if you're from political science or social science background, or from humanities. So the requirement and the process of this whole journey of application for a graduate degree, that would be different. The rules are not same for all people. So depending on your background, we'll work together on your CV and the requirement for all the application process, how to do those things. That's the main agenda, right? So that's all. I hope it solves a lot of queries that you all might be having based on the last video that I posted. Huh? So sign up and we'll have a very intense conversation. I have to know your background as well. And based on that, I have to suggest to you the next steps if you really want to study abroad, right? And how to crack funding. The main problem is actually scholarship. And we all need scholarship in order to get admitted and continue our academic journey, right? So that's the main focus of those upcoming workshop events. And it's going to be one-on-one. Or if it's too much in terms of number of participants, I might divide the sessions in small groups, but from the same background. Let's say business school applicants can have one session together, but I don't want to mix business with social science or humanities with engineering, right? So it should be at least a very small group or individual. That's all. Thank you. Have a good day.